Oh yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of do this wiggle left to right here. Chin up just a tiny bit too. Cool. Yeah, just here. Yes. Perfect. Same kind of thing. I'm just gonna shimmy this way here. Woo, that was the one. Yes, ma'am. Let's check just there. Good. When you're ready, Emily, small breath. Hold it. Cool. Exhale. Bigger breath. Same thing. Hold here, please. And exhale. It's all good. On your side. Face this way. Let's try the other side, please. That sounds so nice. Okay. Yeah, a little higher. There it is. Good. On your back. Face up. Cool. Very good. I'm going to check up top on this side here. Let's see there. There it goes. Nice. Bring your chin down and just give you a little pull like this here. And just try to let this relax. Okay, yeah. How about that last one? That was solid right there, wasn't it? Woo! How's that feeling?
Wonderful.
Oh my goodness, man.